Very good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon, let us take the rectification of errors as a topic, and let us take the question 10 into consideration. Rectify the following errors after preparing the trial balance. That's what they have given up here. Let's see, when it comes to discount allowed is 73 reals was posted to discount received account as 37. Actually what it is? Actually it is discount allowed. Discount allowed is what? It is a loss to the organization. It is a loss to the organization. Therefore, in a correct entry, discount allowed has to come on the debit side. In the correct entry, what it has to come? It has to come discount allowed on the debit. Therefore, I am posting here discount allowed. It is a loss. Discount allowed account. Why I am debiting here? It is a loss. Therefore, I am writing in the brackets loss. It is a loss, therefore I have debited. This is actually has to be debited. What happened here? It was posted to the discount received account. Okay, first let us see how much value discount allowed. The value is 73. Okay, the value is how much? 73. But it was what's the mistake here? It was posted to discount received. Discount received means income. Discount received is a income. This is a mistake. Discount received account, within brackets it is a income. It is an income. Therefore, discount received income has been credited with how much value? 37 value. Discount allowed is a debit value and discount received is a credit value with $37. It is to be taken. Then if that is the case, what is the entry here we need to have? Discount allowed, we want it, but they have not posted. Therefore, we have to debit the discount allowed. And we don't want a discount received. This is a wrong entry. This is what? This is a wrong entry. We do not want a discount received on the credit side. Therefore, we have to debit discount debit discount received account. What is the value here? Values are very, very important. Discount allowed, we want how much? We want 73. We do not want how much? We do not want 37. Therefore, we are actually it is credited income. Therefore, we have debited, and there is no credit as such. Therefore, we have to see suspense account. Suspense account. The total value you will be getting as 73 plus this one. This is 110 would be the answer pertaining to this question. Is it clear? First rectification is clear. Then let us go ahead with second rectification. Repairs to building. How much value? 355 was posted to the debit of buildings account. Repairs, what to be done here? We have to debit repairs account credit cash. Repairs account credit cash. Whenever you pay the repairs, what is the value? They say 355. 355 is to be paid. What is the mistake here? They are saying is what? It is posted to the debit of building account, not repairs. They have posted what? Building account. They have posted to the building account credit cash account. But in the cash there is no value. There is no mistake with respect to cash into the credit of the this error. But where the mistake is all about the value as well as the account heading is also the difference. What is the value they have debited with what? Debited building account with 535. 535. Therefore, we do not want we want repairs account. Therefore, we have to debit repairs account with the same value of 355. We do not want a building. We do not want a building. Therefore, we have to credit with the building value. The same value has to be taken. But here, if at all you see, credit is more value. How much value credit is? 535. But debit is value is only 355. That means debit is less than that of credit value, total credit value. Therefore, the difference value we must post to suspense account. How much value we have to post? The value is to be posted as this one minus this value. Therefore, it will get why you are doing suspense account is nothing but the total value should be the same. Total value how much here? 535, and here credit building value is also 535. This is what is to be observed with respect to question 2. Number 3, let us see. Shares purchased 4,600 and posted to the purchases account. Whenever you purchase shares, whenever you purchase shares in stock market, means Tadawul, if at all you purchase shares in Tadawul of any other company, we should not write as purchases. These are not goods. What is this means? What this is only shares purchased, means it is investment. What should be done? Debit investments account. This is very, very important question. Investment account. If at all you pay by cash, you say cash. Pay by check, you say as a check. Therefore investments purchased, how much? Generally investments are bought by bank check only. Therefore I would like to say by bank account. What is the value here? 4,600. 4,600. But what is the mistake here? Accounting mistake has done by an accountant or a clerk. They have added to what? Posted to purchases account. That means we do not want to debit. The mistake is considered as purchases account. These are goods. The value is also wrong. What is the value here? 1,600. 1,600. But there is no mistake with respect to credit. That means bank is correct. There is no mistake with respect to credit. Therefore bank is correct. Therefore I would like to change the color, saying that there is no error in posting pertaining to bank transaction. But the account heading is different and the amount is also mistake. Let us correct the mistake. How to rectify the mistake? We want investments, debit investments. The value, how much we want? 4,600. We don't want, that is, this is wrong. We do not want. Therefore purchases must be credited. If the value is also wrong, the same value will be taken into consideration. Now if at all you see this rectification entry, debit is more value 4,600 and credit purchases value is only 1,600. Where suspense will come? Suspense will come onto the credit side. Therefore credit, I would like to write suspense account. How much value? The difference value we have to take into consideration. This one minus this one, that is nothing but 3,000 is your suspense value. Is it clear? I believe. Investment. Shares, whenever you say shares, means investments. Investments. Whenever you purchase in stock market like Tadawul, we have to consider whenever shares purchase, means it is an asset. Like building purchased, like furniture purchase, it is an asset. Therefore we have to keep debits as investments. Next, let us go ahead with next error. Furniture of $700. Furniture of $700 purchased for the proprietor's residence. Here they have said proprietor. Proprietor means what? Owner. Proprietor's residence was entered in the purchases daybook. Whenever you see the word anything for the proprietor's personal use, we have to use the word called drawings. DRAWINGS. Drawings account. You pay cash, means whenever you purchase cash, we have to pay cash. How much furniture was purchased? 700 they are saying. Okay, 700 we posted. Where is the mistake here? Was entered to the purchases daybook. They have considered this one as purchases. Purchases account. How much value? The value is also wrong. The value has given as 7,000. Are we clear? The mistake is clear to you? Yeah. Okay. Therefore there is no mistake with respect to cash. Therefore I would like to post cash as it is the same. There is no mistake over here. Therefore I would like to post it is the same. But what we have to do, we want to have debit drawings. What is the value here? We have to have the value of 700. Creditor, we don't want purchases. Credit purchases, the value is 7,000. Now let us see here how to equalize here. Credit value, it is showing how much? 7,000. So why the question says about purchases daybook worth 7,000. Therefore we do not want account purchases on the credit side. Therefore what you have 7,000 we do not want debit side. Therefore it has posted on the opposite side, that is credit side, and the value is to be the difference value debit. You have to come with the suspense account. What is the value? You have to say this one minus 700, 6,300. This is the answer pertaining to this question. Let's see about next one. Interest on investments. Interest on investments received and credited to commission received account as 540. Actually how much received? Amount is mistake. 450 you received, but you have received 540. Amount mistake as well as heading mistake. Interest received you have posted as commission received, you have been identified. Therefore the mistake is to be considered as here what? Interest on investments. Received money means we have to put a debit cash or bank. Let us take cash as in consideration. Credit interest received account. Okay, interest received account. How much value? Cash received interest on investments received is 450, 450. When it comes to error, what is the mistake here? Wrong entry. The wrong entry says about commission account. It was credited to commission account. That means debit, there is no mistake. Debit, there is no mistake. Therefore, cash received, they have posted correctly the cash received. But instead of interest received, they have said as what? Commission received. Okay, commission received account. But the value is also mistake. They have written as 540. Okay. Now, what we have to have? We need to have in the rectification entry, we want interest received account on the credit side. Therefore, interest received credit with the value, original value of 450. We don't want commission received. Therefore, commission received must be debited with the value of 540. Now, if at all you see equalization, debit is more, 540 is more, but credit side is less. Therefore, the difference value where it will come on the credit side, the suspense account will come on the credit side, the difference value debit, and the total credit. There is nothing but suspense. Next, let us go ahead with this is the answer. Hope you have understood. Interest received and commission account heading, that means name of the account is mistake, as well as the amount is written as also a mistake. Let's go ahead with the next one. An item of purchases of 253 was entered in the purchase book as 23 and posted to the supplier account as 350. This is very, very difficult account. Let us see the mistake very clearly. Very clearly see the mistake here. An item of purchase of 253, okay, was entered in the purchases book as 23 and posted to the supplier. Purchases, we have purchased on credit. Purchases book they say, and supplier account also was specified. Whenever you purchased on credit, let us see, the entry would be like this. Would like to delete here. This is the error 6. Whenever you purchased on credit, what you have tried? Debit purchases account. No cash. Here they have said very clearly suppliers. Supplier means creditors. There is no money was paid immediately. Therefore, it is a credit transaction. Supplier account, suppliers, or in brackets you can say creditors. Yeah, therefore it is to be taken. How much value they say? Actual value is what? Actual value is 253. They have to write the correct entry must be 253. An item of purchases 233 and entered in purchases book and posted to supplier. Let us see now what is the mistake here. Mistake, they have written the accounts are correct. Let us see here. Purchases book as 23. Purchases account, how much they have written? 23. But and posted to supplier account as 35352. Supplier account, how much they post? 352, and purchases account they have posted as 23. Let us see how to solve. We want purchases account how much? 253, but they posted only 23. Therefore, it is under casting. We want purchases on the debit, the difference value we have to take into consideration, that is minus this one. We want debit, but credit, if at all you see suppliers account, we need to post 253, but they have already posted as 352. That means it is overcash. They have posted more value. We don't want on the debit side. Therefore, what we have to post, we don't want on the credit side. Therefore, we have to post on the credit side. The supplier value must be on the instead of credit, you have to debit. The value difference is not 352 minus 252. Therefore, both are debit. There is no credit. Credit, what will come now? Suspense account. How much value it will come? I repeat again. This is an important question. Let us understand very neatly and clearly pertaining to this. Let me just format cells, alignment, wrap the text. Okay. To make you understand, once again I would like to say here, the question is about an item of purchases for 253. We purchased. What you have to do? Purchases account on the debit side. There is no money was being paid. Therefore, suppliers account or creditors account has to be credited with the same value. But the mistake where went wrong, the mistake is about purchases book as 23. They have entered purchase account as 23. This is also one mistake. Another mistake is called and posted to suppliers account as 352. This is also a mistake. Therefore, there are two mistakes are being observed here. Purchases was undercast, therefore it is to become on same side, but creditors or suppliers account was overcast, it should come on the opposite side. That instead of credit, it should come on the debit side. Both are debit are coming, therefore total will comes on the suspense, credit will comes off. Let us see next last one. Bills receivable which was accepted by Jaspal. Generally we are not considering bills receivables as per your level of understanding is been considered. For bills receivable we will consider in the next level. For this, at this juncture we will stop by the 6 entries of rectification. I hope you might have understand. If not, you can review the video once again and understand, try to understand the logic behind. Still you have any clarifications, you put forward all your queries. Thank you very much.